Magandang gabi mga kakampi. Nanonood kayo ngayon ng NLEX Road Warriors versus the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters live mula sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Isang malakas na mananalo kami. Ang unang sinabi sa akin ni Captain Hook Macma Cardona nung kamustahin ko siya before the game. In his own words, maganda raw kasi ang feeling nila ngayon about this game coming from their big win against Blackwater last week. Mas confident na raw sila ngayon because they're finally improving on sharing the ball. Dismayado raw kasi sila noon nang malaman nilang they're the worst in the league when it comes to assists. But in their last game, they enjoyed every extra pass at naniniwala siyang madadala nila ang laro nilang yon dito against Rain or Shine. Mag-win, Eric?
Kaya naman after nung huling laro na yun, second to the worst na lang sila pagdating sa assists. They are climbing up. They are number 11 at 14 times per game.
Well, you know, kahit second to the last sila in terms of assists, but you could see that they're number one in two-point field goals. They're making a lot of their shots. That's the reason why wala masyadong assist. But yun nga lang, if you look at the game as a whole, hindi ka pwedeng individualistic din. You have to keep on sharing that basketball or else you become predictable.
Just like how Rain or Shine located Kinyahan on that sequence. Alam mo, even more bad news dito sa NLEX. Si Big Bo Belga, who scored the first 8 points para sa Rain or Shine, hindi pa binabalik ni Coach Yengiel dahil lahat naman ng pinasok niya, nakapag-ambag na rin dito.
Ayun na nga, daming masyadong pumupuntos dito for Rain or Shine, but they just keep on pushing that basketball every opportunity.
Ito ang abante rito ng Elasto Painters after that Taulava hit. Lee on the move. Iiwan para kay Kinyahan. Back-to-back threes para kay JR.
You know, I just feel that it seems so easy for Rain or Shine to just move that basketball. And once you have any opponent just move it around, they just have so much options to choose from with their offense.
This now is the first double-digit spread of the contest. 10 puntos sa bante ng Rain or Shine. Cardona gustong bumawi. Di maipagpag si Uyluan. Ninakawan ba siya ng harap-harapan? Uyluan against Ramos. Iniwan kay Lee. Excellent decision on the part of Jonathan.
Wala, unti-unti nang iniiwan dito ng Rain or Shine ng NLEX because of great defense and nice transition baskets.
30-second timeout gagamitin ni Coach Boyd Fernandez as we take another look at that Smart Pro fast break. Hatid sa atin ang Smart Pro, tomorrow's internet. Pauline now with a total of 9 points. Uyluan with a heads-up decision there. Timro muna niya yung depensa nito ni Ramos. Nung naramdaman niyang ayan na, tumalo na, iniwan na niya yung pasa. Pagpapatuloy nga pala ang pamimigay ng papremyo ng Moneyball Dribble of the People dito sa PBA. 3,000 pesos in cash ang makukuha ng ating best player. Kaya dribblers, makipindot na. Uy, hindi tayo pwede sumali. Pwede ba kami makipindot dyan? Bawal.
Yung volume,
May kodigo ka raw eh. Alam
yung
mo raw yung
volume
mga
ng
sagot.
mic yung pinipindot ko eh.
Baka sakali. Hindi, gamit tayo ng ibang pangalan. Ito pangalan ni Roy. Gamit tayo.
Kaya
Hindi ka rin pwede
Roy
lalo.
Lopez. Grabe dito pinapakita ng Rain or Shine. And one thing good about it, sistema talaga eh. It's so systematized because one, kitang-kita itong si Uyluan had a wide open layup one-on-one against Ramos, but there's always a trail job, which maganda yung kanilang system when it comes to that.
Tingnan natin how the Road Warriors respond. Ball tap by Belga. It ends up with Big Bo. Babalik lang ni Bo. Nagparamdam kagad kontra kay Taulava.
Rain or Shine is getting into the passing lanes. Hindi makakuha ng opening itong NLEX. So they have to take care of that basketball.
Inyahan before that volley layup hit back-to-back threes. Uyluan kicks it over. Norwood puts it on the deck. Iiwan kay Belga. Nako, patay ang butike para kay Big Bo. Borborana on the right side. Cardona didn't see him. Belga ends up giving it the foul.
You know, when you're going on a fast break like that and you see Big Bo side by side, when he stops and he gives you that shoulder, you don't really want to be there at that moment.
Junrick Valoria ay pinasok dito for the first time ni Coach Boy at papalitan muna si Macma Cardona. Those NLEX rookies joining the veterans. It is Villanueva, Ramos, Taulava, and Borboran completing that five. Si Valoria, strict shooter yan. Tingnan natin, gumagawa kagad niya yung sukat. Villanueva for three. Ramos is there for the stick back.
Well, nagkagulo doon ang depensa ng Rain or Shine because makikita natin, nagsiswitch lang eh. They're all actually switching. In fact, nakita natin kanina was Uyluan against Taulava.
Less than 3 minutes now remaining sa ating first half. Lee kicks it over. They locate Belga. Uyluan to Kinyahan. Ayaw kasi hindi tres, sabi ni Jonathan. Eto na lang!
This guy has deadly, actually deadly from 3-point range. Great form, great follow-through.
Biggest lead of the game once again na itatag ng Rain or Shine. 13 puntos na to. NLEX in a world of trouble. They want to snatch back momentum heading into the dugout. They are in dire need of a basket. That's why they get it over to the Rock. Asi on that baseline. Reverse is good.
A good move there by Asi. He knew that the double was coming in from his right side. He spun baseline.
Norwood shifting directions. Has Taulava coming out. Inyahan lines it up. Not that time around. Ramos goes back to the Rock. Taulava with the space. Overcooks that one though. Oiluan against 4. Now Lee will step on the gas. Paul takes the contact. Will through to the line.
You know, bilis talaga maka-distinguish nito ni Paul Lee. He knew that it was a transition attack and he will just make a decision to go hard to the basket and draw a foul.
A minute and 39 remaining sa ating first half. Timeout muna with Rain or Shine ahead by 11 points.